Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the newly launched products by Bird and Barn Designs along with beautiful vintage laces by Lavish Laces, and both of their links will be in the description box below. This is a design team box, and Martha with Bird and Barn Designs did a collaboration with Lavish Laces. I got my boxes, as you can see, and I am excited to get into them and see what's here. I just taped them. I opened them up, but I haven't seen what's inside. And like I said, I'm excited too. Also, you may have noticed the change of my name. I did change my name. I'm looking for something I don't see. And I know I've been gone for a while, but I am back. I've had to deal with some health issues, and but I'm back. So let's see what's in this box. First we have this. And Martha said that the design team project is on top. Whoa, is on top. And I just shook you. And then she put a Happy Mail in the bottom, so I can see some of that, and I'm excited. So let's see what her note says. Oh, look. How cool. Oh, it's nice and long. So I'm going to read this. After the video. So the design team project are wooden pieces that come from Bird and Barn Designs Etsy shop and are manufactured by Red Hill Fiber. Those links will be in the description box below. If you've watched my other videos, you have seen wood products here that were manufactured by Red Hill Fiber. They do an excellent job. I have no doubt that this is as well. And look at this beautiful paper. So these products are, I'm trying to not rip this. Oh, I see the tape now. I didn't see the tape before. I thought it was glued for some reason. It's been a while since I've been in the craft room. I have, oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? I have not been in the craft room. Where, Martha, did you get this paper? So we have three things here. We have, these are laser cut wood items. This is the March design team project or package, obviously. We have a ribbon wrap, floss bobbins, and lace spools. So how fun is that going to be? Oh, wow, look at that. And I seen a picture of this, not of those. And this is exactly what the picture looked like. There are probably 6 here. Yes, there are 6 here. Look at that design. Isn't that beautiful? I have to show you this. This, can you see it? Isn't this gorgeous? And these. All right. I am so out of practice with the camera. Isn't that gorgeous? You can find these on her Etsy site, Martha's Bird and Barn Designs as well. Look at that laser cut. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is how I decorated it. I did not want to paint this white and paint over this beautiful design or the beautiful wood. So I used a clear coat and with a sparkle coat. You can see the sparkles around the edges, and I put feet on it. So this, I'm thinking I'll do the same as far as the painting of it. I do not want to paint over the laser. It's an injustice to me. It really is. But when you get it, you decorate it how you want to, because that's the beauty in this. You can do what you want when it's yours. So let's, oh my gosh, how pretty is that? Oh my gosh, look at these. These are gorgeous. And this is wild sage wool. Wow. And that's their little card. How cute is that? These are beautiful. And another thing I want to say is, it's not written here, but I'm pretty sure it comes in a set of 6, and that's why we got a set of 6. And these ones, and I know probably shouldn't be showing these, but I am anyways, because they're absolutely stunning. These also come in plain, so you can get the plain ones and paint them white. But they come in a set of 6 too. These are going to be so pretty, and I can't believe there's some wool in there with it. And then this one, oh, I'm so excited to work with these. Oh my gosh, look at these lace spools. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look. Wow. Oh my God, these are beautiful. I have some vintage ones, and these are so much nicer. These are exciting. Check out her Etsy site to see, but these might just come in a set of 3 because there's 3 here. But I'm just guessing because I don't know, and I should have, that's one thing I should have checked on so I could tell you. But just check her Etsy. It's just a click on it and it'll take you straight to her Etsy shop. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. And then this was in here. Look at this. Oh, here's some pretty pink floss. Look at that pretty pink. These are some things that we can use in our project. Look at that. I love stars. I collect stars. That's so pretty. Look at the little pink buttons. All of this is so cute. Look at that. I am excited to start working on this project, let me tell you. This is, I should have poured it in a dish and left it in the dish. This is a wonderful thing to get back into the craft room and work on. Alright, let me pick up the one I got on the floor. How beautiful. And I have these cool little dishes that will go into. So let's see what the Happy Mail is. How pretty is that? This, again, this is from Martha. We haven't got to Lavish Laces yet, but we will. Oh, that's nice. Look at how pretty. I love that paper. Wow. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Oh, look at the laces. So nice. Oh, wow. And it's a chicken. I have chickens, and she knows I have chickens. How do you open this? I want to see it. So this Happy Mail is just for me. I mean, it was curated for me with the chickens. Look at how cute that is. I love it. That is adorable. And it goes right in my pincushion. Yep. There it goes. Lovely. And look at this. Look at that chicken. It looks like a placemat. Oh my gosh, I love it. And oh, you guys got turned. I'm so sorry. Look at that. I love that. And I just got some baby chicks too. Every spring I like to get some new chicks. Look at this. Wow. That is going to be fun to work with. I think that's folded. Yep, it's folded. It's a nice big piece. Wow. Oh, I love that. I love it. Look at that. So cute. I love chickens. There's another piece. This is wallpaper border. Beautiful. I love milk caps. Oh, some playing cards, some chicken playing cards. How cute is that? Love that. Oh, isn't that pretty? Love this. That is so cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Oh, and there's chickens in there. Look at that. Oh, that's going to be fun to do something with. Oh my gosh, this one's even more beautiful. Wow. I almost want to make little curtains in my chicken coop for the chickens out of this one. Or the red one. Oh my gosh. Someone needs to, oh my gosh, here's another one. Someone needs to make a barn or chicken digitals, so I can make a journal out of some of this. Hint, hint, Martha. That is so pretty. I just love this. I love neutrals. Oh my gosh. I'm blown away by this Happy Meal. Thank you. Or Happy Meal. Happy Mail. It's been a long time since I've been behind a camera. Love this. I have leghorns too. I'll have to read that. That's awesome. Oh, how cute is that? This whole thing talks about chickens. How cool is that? Look at all these ads. Look at that. Oh, and the little chick here. Oh, love it. Love it. Thank you, Martha. And then this is from Lavish Laces. Like I said, she's in collaboration with Martha at Bird and Barn Designs. Here is Lavish Laces card, but her link will be in the description box below. And I'm just reading her note real quick. And yes, her Etsy shop will be in the description box below, like I mentioned. So almost everything in her Etsy shop, oops, I have stuff falling out, is vintage. So the stock rotates often. All right, perfect. Oh, look, and she has little stickers with her name. Isn't that cute? So let's look at these laces. Like I said, these are vintage laces. So if you want some of these laces, you definitely need to go to her Etsy shop before she sells out. That is so pretty. So pretty. Thank you, Jaizella. This is vintage lace grab bag. So as you know, grab bags have things that are a little different in each bag. Look at that. This is so pretty. And definitely you can tell it's vintage. Love these. My mind is going, oh, look at this pretty color. A million miles. Trying to think of things to do for my design team project. How pretty is that ribbon? Love that. Oh, look at this little dainty lace. So pretty. Looky there, those appliques. This is so light, so pretty. So is this. Oh, look at how pretty. She sent so much. Look at that. Oh, that is so nice. How adorable is this? I might have to get more of this. Love that. And this. So cute. Love it. Wow. Everything is beautiful. I just noticed on her business card, on the back of her business card, look at these. These are beautiful. It says use code at checkout to save on your next order. There's a code on her business card. Look at those. Those are so pretty. Come down a little bit. Look at how pretty those are. I don't want to mess them up. Which I'm going to because I can't get them back in. So pretty. So pretty. And this. So awesome. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. What a surprise. Wow. Love that. Look at this letter. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? You've definitely got to go check out her shop. It looks like she has, look at that. Wow. Looks like she has some amazing things. And this looks French. Yep, sure is. Look how nice that is. So cool. 1943. Oh, look at this envelope. Love that. Yeah, that's French too. How nice. Look at that stamp. What is this? Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, how cool. That's a man on a bicycle. I know you can't see it. And that's a man and a lady. Another man on a bicycle. Oh, this one is so cute. This is a man with a couple kids and they're at a little pond with some ducks. So cute. And this is a man on a bicycle with a kid on the back of the bike. How adorable. And in this original holder, which looks French as well. How cool is that? Look at that, a postcard. I believe it's in French. How cool is that? Yep. Another one. That's awesome. This one doesn't have a stamp on it. Isn't that funny? This one's so pretty. Look at these book pages. I love the feel of this paper. This must be music, yeah. I believe that's French. How nice. And this one, wow. I bet this is from an old book. This feels like rag paper. I could be wrong. Yeah, that's not rag paper, I don't think. But love that. And some ledger paper. Nice big pieces to use. And here's a different one. I have a couple of ledger books and I just love how the paper is different. And like all of them. Well, isn't that beautiful? Everything is stunning. So like I said, check out Lavish Laces and Bird and Barn Designs, as well as Red Hill Fiber Company. I drew a blank for a second there, sorry. So check them out. They'll be in the description box below. All the links will be in there. Everything that you need will be there. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.